tornado. It's like a tornado.
And I'm incredibly grateful for Chris to have this opportunity. Today I won't ever forget. We're back in
เหมือนทอร์นาโดเลยจริงจากไทย
tornadoes that are too dangerous to intercept. One
ไม่เป็นไรพอขึ้นสะพานมันก็เห็นอีกรอบแค่ต้องมองข้างหลัง
Yeah, and this is Holland too. This is actually one of the fastest storms we've ever really experienced. I mean, it's maxing out at 50 miles an hour, and my truck goes 100 miles an hour. So I've only got 40 miles an hour on this storm, and that means I got to keep up with it or stay ahead of it.
You really got to be overextending, so when you stop and take a look, you're not just right under it.
That is a decently rotating log cloud at this point. I would say we're going to get a tornado in the next minute.
Oh, it's there.
It's already green apparently, so yeah, there's a dust cloud. It's on the ground.
Oh yeah, I see.
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Because it's just now touching down.
And I'm about to turn north here and get into intercept position with the Dorothy.
It's right there. It's right there.
Program here.
Yeah, I'm going north on 48.
It's going west.
Power flash is going on.
It's
Oh, yep.
northwest.
So that I was on the radar.
I am further ahead.
From northwest.
I got a great view of it.
Northwest.
It's not condensed. It's just the dust clouds.
It's from northwest.
I think it's
Northwest.
from,
Northwest.
being lofted. There it is. Fully condensed now.
It's there.
Yeah, it's fully on the ground.
There it is. Full on
It's
stovepipe.
there.
Yeah,
It's there.
they're
It's there.
ready to
Nothing.
deploy. Can't wait for getting closer.
Man, I am close.
It's right there.
Now, this is a lot closer than I would like to be.
Have to drop a probe and get out of there quickly.
Yeah, you have like no time. Plus, you're using Dorothy, so you can.
Oh, we're gonna have to flip around right here. Oh my gosh, this is such a bad situation.
Get the augers down. Get the augers down. Come on.
Oh my goodness, this is such a bad idea. All right, we're gonna do it.
Quick laps.
We're gonna do it right here. Okay, we're doing it right here. Drop it down.
That's right.
Drop it down.
Do the flap.
Go. Go.
Get out of there.
Drive. Oh my gosh, I got shook a little bit and I got moved on the road, but I'm good. I took a direct impact from that tornado, and so did my probe. We got 120 mile an hour winds on that thing. All right, the question is, do we keep going after this storm, or do we switch to the new one that's developing out to the west right now?
I'd say go to the new one with the speed that this one's going. Or just be playing catch up with it all day. If we can just get ahead of this next one, we're gonna get in the right spot. So.
All right, sounds good. I think I'm gonna head to the new one, so I wish you the best of luck, Jay Kellen.
All right, everybody's gonna drive inside of it here with the airbags, the spikes here. Oh boy, yeah, about 130.
I'm gonna do something I don't usually do. I am going to wait for the tornado to come to me. Usually I get right up to the tornado and then wait for it to impact, but that's like 3 seconds. I'm gonna give this about a minute or so to get to my location because I want to make sure that
It's there. It's
it's
there.
the strongest it can be.
เดี๋ยวถ้า
when
เรา
I probe it,
อั
so
น
I
นี้
can
มัน
get
จะ
the
อยู่ข้าง
maximum
ซ้ายเรา
amount of data and wind speeds on it.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Also, there's some crazy subvortices in
English.
this thing right now.
Gonna
I
be
am
on the
literally
left
gonna
hand side
watch
or
your
left
intercepts
hand
on the drone.
It's gonna be there?
Like the Otis project.
Later.
Oh,
It's going
This sounds
make
wrong. I hear a
this
really
route.
roar right now.
It's going
Okay, I
south.
have to back up to get some more
เอ
signal.
อเนี่ย
All
ตรง
right.
เนี้ยเป็นบาลานซ์สูงเนี่ยอยากพาลูกมาเล่นมากเลยตอนนั้น
I'm watching you there, Tofu.
Oh,
Oh, it's gonna be crazy, Tofu.
It's about like
Well, it's very
It's not
strong
that-
on radar.
it's about northwest right now.
Oh, strong.
So-
Yeah, here we go.
I think we're good.
Look at the velocity from T-Hip.
Man, it's hauling. It is hauling. Storm firing up to the south of us.
It's got a lot of black velocity pixels.
Oh my god.
Hey, maybe it's a good thing it missed me. It's a good thing it missed me.
Gotta do it.
Well, I'm about to deploy it. It's a very strong.
I might need to power through it. I might need to power through it.
Oh, boy, it's already.
Man.
Oh, it's gonna be
แม่
bad.
ดูได้ไหมว่ามันมีแอปเวดาแบบ
It's
นี้
bad, Jay Kellen, it's bad.
เรน
Oh my god.
เรนอะไรนั่นน่ะ
Back me.
แอปอะไรนะ
ไอเวดาเรน
I'm
อะ
airborne, Jay Kellen.
ที่แบบให้
I
ดู
am,
นะ
I am up in the
velocity
stratosphere. Oh, here we go.
reflectivity
I'm going down. I
Team-
got it.
I'm gonna have to
And he
move
will-
back up to the north because, like, it's on the road there.
like
There's no other way to
reflectivity.
get out in front of it.
Okay, it's coming right here. Dropping a Dorothy. Dorothy is deployed. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. We're trying to get out of here. Go. There we go.
Yeah, it just drops out.
55, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Is there?
102 maxing out. There we go. 129.
Over the.
150, 160. 170. 203. Holy cow. 220.
Yeah, it's still really strong.
Oh, there it is. I see the left and right side.
You do?
Yeah.
Is there?
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, we gotta back up then.
It's on a little more south than anticipated. There it is in the field.
Come on,
I know.
come on, come on, come on,
We're like
come on.
right about here, probably.
I think even further.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoot a little further south here. Okay, I'm stopping right here. I'm dropping the probe. Here we go. North deployed. Alright, we're gonna go. Gotta move. This is very
it's
hard.
there.
It's right here.
Right there. It's right there.
Who's gonna get a direct hit?
Me?
You?
Holy cow.
I think I'm
Yep, it's right here. It's right here. 124 recorded. 150. 160. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. 200 mile an hour winds. 204. Tornado is
Do we go
right
direct
behind me.
or?
130.
It's crossing right in front of me.
Man, that is strong. It's taking the trees down.
Mom, did you
I
find it?
see the two probes that you left behind.
Yeah, I'm actually limping my way back to them.
There's a storm popping up to the west again.
Mom.
You're probably living.
Mom.
I'm fine.
I
Okay,
might
can
as
I-
well. Honestly, this thing's getting buried in rain pretty badly, and I'd rather
Be
go
rain
chase
be
the storm that's not really getting strong.
That one.
Alright, so this thing is like a very dusty tornado. There's no funnel, but you can clearly see the circulation with the dust. Box him in, box him in. Oh, he's done.
Yeah, box me in.
Chasing is over for you, bud.
Yeah, he can't get to the storm, bucko. You're not part of a movie, so you're not allowed to chase.
That's right, yeah. He's not allowed to chase. It's Twister versus. Okay,
there
that.
it is. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming down. There it is.
Oh boy, it looks like it's gonna be big.
รถคันนี้ทวิสเตอร์เลยแล้วก็มีโดโรธี
Okay, I'm gonna find a deployment spot
Jai.
probably on this road over here.
Correct.
Probably gonna be in
Find
Floyd.
one.
That's what I'm thinking, but I
spot.
might just miss it here.
That thing, it sounds very menacing already.
Okay, I'm stopping right here.
It's on
There's no left to right motion at this spot right now.
แม่ไม่รู้ว่า
Okay,
ใช้
this
อะไร
dude's driving through a field.
Don't worry.
Destroying
It's right
crops.
there.
You know how expensive
what
that
else?
is?
Do more. The tornado's gonna destroy the crops anyway, so it's not like the farmers will know.
Oh yeah, they'll see tire tracks leading up to a point, and then they'll disappear, and it's like, oh, what happened? Where did those tire tracks go? Oh no, he got lofted.
We'll just say Jonas did it. How about that?
This thing's expanding as well. Okay, I'm gonna deploy a
I got
probe right here.
75 right now.
Up one night.
There's some there.
Damage happening.
Yeah.
This is
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, you need to get out of here.
It's time to go. Time to go.
ตัวแม่รับเลยเปล่า
I am 75.
I'm gonna put spikes down just
right
in
here.
case.
Dad, where are we? Where are we now?
Holy cow! Go! Drive!
I can
เผื่อ
see
ลงไปเก็บของ
It's much rain here.
Yeah, there's debris.
It's much
Crossing
rain.
right behind me. We just got 140 miles an
Let me
hour
try the other app.
Yep, it's about 142.
Let's see.
Yep.
No.
right behind me. That was probably top 10 intercepts of the episode right there. Holy cow. That was crazy.
Alright, I'm following to the south. There is trees down just along the road here. Some I see just off to my left. I gotta get ahead of this thing.
I'm going 65 miles an hour right now, and the tornado is moving at 80 miles an hour. It's destroying the mobile homes that are on this road.
Yeah.
I don't
see
know
that
how
one's
to
gonna
look at
get
this one, but
Yeah.
this one.
Oh, there it is. It's bad. It just destroyed.
Oh, yep, damage.
Yeah, guys, I don't know.
Pretty
I
much
can't see
rain here.
anymore. Is the mobile home still there on the other side?
No,
There's almost.
I don't know how to use it.
I think the tornado is kind of
Do I
a
take
little
this
bit.
left or do I
Mm.
extend out into Hazel Main Street?
It doesn't look good.
Okay.
I don't think
It doesn't look good, is there?
Yeah, I forgot.
It's already pushing trees down.
Trees are going down. Power flash is right here.
It's expanding.
I'm in the tornado.
Like 70.
I'm in the tornado right now.
Oh, there just went a mobile home. It just went there.
So if we are
This is
looking.
bad. This is a very bad place to be in right now.
Yeah. It might go. It's going right for Hazelton, I think.
Look how far out.
Oh my goodness, 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 this is bad. This is a bad
that's
place
a
to be.
violent tornado.
Yep, we're going, we're going,
Oh,
we're going,
it's
guys.
going east. It's going like east-northeast.
There's black.
It's
gonna-
moving, it's
outside of
moving.
Hazelton.
Oh, it's right
That
here.
will be.
It's right here. Oh my
Are we
gosh,
here?
power
Where are we?
flashes.
Oh, it's just debris flying around the south side into the field.
So-
Yep, that would be the
So
Milwaukee
there's
system.
two.
Holy cow, yeah, there's more debris.
So there's
It's
two.
being thrown, like,
There's two.
horizontally to the
Two
south.
of them.
Yeah, violent. All right, I might be able to probe it
Where?
right here. This is gonna be really
Wait, wait, look.
quick.
We're gonna be going in
This
Henderson.
pink.
Okay, wind speeds are
There's a
over.
pink thing.
That's crazy. All right, we have to go.
Those power flashes are getting concerningly close.
We are cooked
We're not
with
even
this
there
one.
yet. Here, I'll give you a little more room. I'm
This
going to,
pink.
like, ride the shoulder a bit
This
here
pink
for
is
you,
it.
'cause I'm a wide truck.
Yeah, that is a very violent signature on radar.
Oh my gosh, huge subword.
เครื่องวัฒนะใช่ไหม
Is there?
Holy cow!
อีก
It's
40 นาทีไหวเปล่าจะแวะตรงทางด่วนประชาชื่นไหมอะไรเงี้ย
He is also gone. Oh my goodness, it is happening right now. We are getting major damage to the south side of it. The barge got shredded by a subvortice.
It's landing in the metro.
Okay, we're doing one more probe deployment right here.
Big power flashes, so much debris
Okay.
behind me. These
Probe is deployed. And it's time to go. It's time to go.
Back it up.
No!
โอ้ย
No!
ถ่ายรูปไม่ทัน
No, please!
ถ่ายอะไร
แอปมันเด้งขึ้นมาพอดี
I died.
Deploy right here.
จะถ่ายรูปไอ้
I spawned inside Hazelton.
ทางเมื่อกี้
What?
อืม
That's not good.
This is
ตาม
bad.
หลังอยู่
This
สาม
is
คัน
bad.
Make him windbreaker.
Run! Run! Get inside this building.
บอกชิดขวาเรื่อยๆเลย
Holy cow, things are going vertically.
ไม่ต้องเปลี่ยนเล
At
น
the middle hole. Oh, I just got smacked by debris from the
ขวา
house.
ยาวๆไปเลยจนเป็นทางเชื่อมยาวไปเลย
There's debris just flying horizontally above me.
Yeah, guys,
Here we go. I'm
it's
gonna get the topside.
it's pretty bad. It's demolishing
Oh
most of
my
Hazelton
God.
right now. There are homes that are shredded
Oh
right
Oh my
now.
gosh.
This is our final.
We got an insane risk on this twisted server, and we're going to be trying to intercept some of these tornadoes in our regular vehicles. So without further ado, let's get
คน
into
แก่
it.
เข้าห้อง
All
น้ำ
right,
ไหม
there's our storm firing off to the west, and our job today is to deploy as many of these camera probes inside the tornado. That means getting out in front of it, dropping the probe, and then hoping that the probe gets run over. And we're doing that for our news station in the game here. So we've got our
ทางด่วนฟรีวันนี้
That means
อืม
we don't have a
เอาก็ล
tornado
ดได้เยอะ แล้วมันบอก current location เราได้ไหมเราอยู่ไหนอะไรเงี้ย
ไม่อันนี้เป็นแอปเกม
เราอยู่ถึงว่าอันเนี้ยตอนนี้เราอยู่ nearest radar ในแอป
Familiar?
อ๋อมันไม่ได้บอก current location ของเรานะ
Looks like Dan Robinson's car. The car in front looks
ไม่ได้
like
บอก location ด้วยเมื่อกี้มันอันนี้ นี่ นี่เรากดตรงนี้ใช่ปะตอนนี้เราอยู่ตรง
Speak
นี้
in English.
Sorry you see we are here
So-
heading
So we're here heading.
heading somewhere
So
heading อะไรป๊าป๊า
so the rain here is the strongest one. There's the strongest one
Heading.
here.
heading north
where
We're heading north. We're heading north.
oh
So
it's
so
very
so the storm is actually here.
far
The storm is here.
yeah far from us
There's some storm too at Chapraya Express Road. It's a bit there. The storm.
yes
The storm is a bit there. How do I talk?
storm it's just rain
So if I move like it's about like here. If we go, where are we? We're moving. We're moving right now. So there's tornado left there.
yes
Oh, there's a bit of like some rain. A little bit some rain. I hope it's not a tornado because there isn't. So there's here.
yeah right right there
It's right there. It's right there. Oh! There's a very strong one right there, and in us. This one. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it.
Above us.
We're in it. We're in it.
It's like a cloudy, right?
We're in it. We're in it. Look, we're in it.
Yeah, we're in. Above us.
Chin, on your left hand side. I think it's
Some rain.
side
Some-
rain.
Some. Hey, can you take the charger out, please? I've got it. Hey. So there's the rain there. With the radar. The rain is there. It's moving. So it's a bit moving west. It's moving west. It's moving west. We passed it. Some storm chasers in front of us. We are kind of chasing.
Chin, look at the sky. It's cloudy.
Yeah, the cloud. So if I look, there's a one forming, like at the right hand side. The one forming. There's one that is forming the right hand side. So, race villa. So if I go in here, oh, that storm is kind of gone. It's kind of gone there. It's right here. It's moving. It's gonna move here. So in the meantime, it's gonna move. So it formed right. This. So there's a big one there.
I think I really want to get my intercept just along 71. I feel like the storm is.
I'm married to Mother Nature. Oh, we've got a kid on the way.
ส่งมาขวามือเห็นปะ
คน
เปียก
ข้างชิน right then but rain
Okay, it's raining. It's raining.
this is dry
It rained right there.
here dry
Yeah, here. It's dry right here. So it's there. I think.
แต่ในปั๊มก็เปียกนะ
Continue straight.
Wanted to go with something small, so it doesn't take bigger cracks as we do.
It's raining. It's raining. We're in it. It's raining. We're in it. 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 I think it's a. We're in it. Let me change the time to like right now. Like we're in it. We're in it. Turn on the auto. Do it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. Yo. Yo. We're in it. Look. Yeah, so big. We're in it.
ไม่มีจุด EF0 this one
I think it's about EF0. I think.
lower than EF0
I think it's an EF0. Right there. It's like a rope.
this is moving
This more. We're out of the rain. We're out of the rain. We're out of it. Yeah, we're out of it. That's it. That's it.